Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago, and I made watercolor image from this shooting and also the other illustration type image the other day. Well, this time I want to try oil paint from this image. Well, this is a pretty good shooting, and I have lots of shots we can use as a base. Okay, this is the base this time, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges. I may use this image later on, so turn it off right now, and I'm gonna make, duplicate this layer or make an image like oil paint. Well, let's get started. I'm gonna convert to pixel layer on this one, and let's see. I'm gonna turn this one off, base image, just in case for, I don't know what's gonna happen. And I'm gonna draw, sort of smudging this image as a paint. Okay, from here I'm gonna use oil paint brush. Let's see, I go a little detail, so oil paint detail first on her face. Okay, from hair first, This oil paint detail has texture on it, so go with her. Well, I guess I used the black. I'm gonna no color, only, no color. Then just using that this detail texture. The good thing about oil paint is just they're smooth. It's gonna mix them together. You just see the texture of it. Then also, she's got nice brown yellowish, so I'm gonna choose some gold color. Now I can add here too. Around here. But now I'm gonna go with no color. Now just sort of taking texture. Okay, now eyebrow. Going small size. I guess okay to use detail. Nice catch light. I'm gonna add a white catch light later. Oh, Fairbird. This is the one. Smooth it out. Nice. Has more texture here. Chunky catch the base color first touch. Just touch up. Okay, use a glaze. Give it a texture outside. This is good. Look at this. Paint mix 50, 60. It's gonna mix up the colors. So much fun. Wow. Got from here now. I want to add some color on background. It just the way the base image photograph. Now I'm going to change the color, add the color. Well, what I said, like a gold. Some. Maybe change the brush to, well, glaze. Change the size. And I said white, catch light. Okay. Now how about, well, looks okay. I'm sure it's okay too. I like more warm color. Well, let's see this pencil drawing type image, and I'm going to change this blend mode normal to overlay. This overlay effect so interesting, you know. Go down, opacity about 35%. Now create empty mask. Then invert mask. Now I'm going to reveal. It's just basic to soft round opacity. Then I go for this highlight side. So it's going to emphasize this brush texture and lighten up her face. How about the color of her face? I want some more warm tone. So I'm going to check add color balance. Okay. I'm going to just create empty mask on this color balance. Okay, create empty mask on this, then invert mask. Now same brush, soften, then I only reveal on the face. Maybe it's going to change. Now on the face, skin tones effect. Now I'm going to change shadow and mid-tone. Yeah, I'm going to make the mask on this color balance. Yeah, it's warming up. Okay, it's mid-tone. Now highlight side. About this much. Let's see. Highlights, mid-tone, and shadow. Okay, now I'm going to turn on and off, or you see here, warming up her facial tone. Yes, that's right. Okay, just a touch, 10% or so. Then reveal around forehead and some up here. Then touch hide here. Okay, now we check. Yeah, now good. Well, this is it for today. Oil paint like. I kind of like texture, emphasize some. This is the one mask. Let's see, this mask is pencil drawing type image, but effects overlay. Blend mode is overlay. So if I turn it off, on and off, emphasizes some texture on the highlight side. Yeah. Well, thank you for watching this movie, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And you guys have a nice day. See you next time. Bye now. Ciao.